In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Freshbooks with Squarespace. This integration helps you connect your Squarespace store to Freshbooks so invoices and accounting entries can stay in sync as your orders come in. I will walk you through the steps in a clear order, and I will also point out what to look for on screen as you go. First, log into your Squarespace account. Make sure you are using the correct login for the site you want to connect. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm that you are in the main dashboard for your Squarespace site, not in some unrelated workspace. Next, select your website, then click Settings in the left menu. You will see the Settings area grouped into different sections, and this is where you can manage tools and integrations. If your left menu looks different, just look for the Settings option that leads to configuration pages for your site. Now click Third-Party Tools. From there, choose Extensions. This is the area where Squarespace lists add-ons and services that can connect to your store. You are going to use this to locate Freshbooks and initiate the connection. Next, search for Freshbooks in the extension search bar. Type the name carefully, and then select the Freshbooks extension from the results. When you find it, you are ready to start the connection process between the platforms. This step matters because the correct extension is what enables the syncing features. Once you have opened the Freshbooks extension, click Connect to Site. Squarespace will prepare a connection workflow, and it may display information about what the extension needs in order to work with your store. After you click Connect to Site, watch for the prompt that asks about permissions. Next, review the data access permissions and click Allow. Read the permissions message so you understand what access Freshbooks is requesting. Confirming Allow is what authorizes Squarespace to share the needed store data for syncing. When you grant access, you are effectively approving the link from within your Squarespace settings. At this point, a pop-up window will appear that takes you to freshbooks.com. In the pop-up, log into your Freshbooks account. Make sure you use the correct account that you want to connect for your billing and accounting activity. After you sign in, the authorization screen should appear. Next, click Authorize to link your Squarespace store to Freshbooks. This step is what finalizes the trust between the two services. Once authorization succeeds, you will usually be redirected back to your Squarespace extension screen, where you can complete the setup. Now you will need to map your Squarespace products to your Freshbooks income accounts and sales taxes. This part is important because it determines how transactions are categorized in Freshbooks. In the mapping area, choose the correct Freshbooks income account for each product type or item group, and select the appropriate sales tax settings that match how your store collects tax. Take your time here so your financial reports and invoices reflect the correct categories. After you complete the mapping, click Save or Activate Extension. This final action starts the syncing process, so orders can automatically flow from Squarespace into Freshbooks based on the configuration you just set. If you see an activation confirmation, wait for it to finish so the extension is fully running. To confirm everything is working, you can review the extension status on the Extensions page and make sure it indicates that the integration is active. If you have a test order available, you can also verify that the order sync behaves as expected. But the main goal is to ensure the extension is saved and activated. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.